When your AC stops working, just call the experts at KS Services Heating and Air. They're fast and affordable. Right now, purchase any Bryant energy efficient system and save with 0% interest for 60 months with approved credit. It comes included with a 5-year labor warranty. And our fair price guarantee means that we will always give you 3 quotes for every situation. A good, better, and best. Call KS Services Heating and Air today. We roll on, whatever it takes.
This is the Weather Xtreme video. It's the afternoon edition for Thursday, the 14th of September. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather warming up. Maybe a few widely scattered afternoon storms around for the next few days, but a big widespread rain event not likely anytime soon. And the tropics heating up again. Let's take a look. There's the big picture of the water vapor satellite view. What's left of Irma is lifting north up through the northeastern states. Big trough developing in the west. And the visible satellite view. The sky partially sunny over most Alabama this afternoon. Temperatures still below average, but warmer than recent days. Mostly upper 70s and low 80s. Tuscaloosa 83, Montgomery managing 86 degrees. And around the nation, a tongue of really warm air coming up across the Great Plains. And we'll be up in the mid-80s, maybe upper 80s in spots over the weekend. Maybe flirting with 90, in fact, in a few places by Sunday and early next week as the ridge begins to build in. Convective outlook, we've got a risk of severe weather across the 4 corners back in the southwest United States, but obviously no problems here. And again, not much rain for the next 7 days. This is the rain valid through Thursday morning of next week, showing hardly any for the northern half of the state. A little bit down south with scattered showers and storms, but again, nothing especially widespread. And the tropics indeed getting interesting. We have Hurricane Jose and 2 waves in the eastern Atlantic. And in the short term, the wave that's just come off the coast of Africa with a good chance of forming, that's over the next 48 hours. But check the 5-day, and both of those waves have a good chance of developing over the next 5 days. And obviously, we'll keep an eye on them. Let's start with the easternmost wave. This is Invest 97. And more than likely, this one begins to gain latitude. In fact, we'll check the your GFS ensemble, and you can see that this one really begins to turn north, and more than likely that affects nobody. Not the Leeward Islands, not the United States, so I don't think 97 is going to be a problem. 96, though, we might have to watch. Most models want to push it toward the Leeward Islands. Got a couple that turn it north, but it's very early in the game. We'll just keep an eye on that. Something to watch for now. Let's take a look at Jose. Top wind 70 miles an hour, therefore it's a tropical storm. This is expected to regain hurricane strength early in the weekend. Turns north, and the hurricane center track moves it between the east coast of the United States and Bermuda early next week. Look at the ensemble guidance coming off the GFS. And you can see the mean, the black line, keeps it offshore. And most of the deterministic runs keep it offshore, but it's going to be close. It'll be a close call for Cape Cod, as you'll see. In fact, let's take a look at the 12Z GFS. This is valid tomorrow afternoon, 1 o'clock Central Time. This is at 500 millibars. Big cold trough in the west, ridging, developing over the east. And for tomorrow, it should be a warm and mostly dry day, highs mid-80s. Partly sunny with only a small chance of a shower. Better chance down across the south and even down there. Should be fairly widely scattered. Saturday as the weekend begins. Both the GFS and the NAM are showing a high of 86, a mix of sun and clouds, and some chance of scattered showers and storms. This is the high-res 3-kilometer NAM, Saturday afternoon, 3 o'clock. And understand we've got Alabama with a home game Saturday evening, Auburn with a home game Saturday afternoon, so there could be a few showers around during the peak of the daytime heating process Saturday, but you can see it's not going to be that widespread. But just keep in mind the possibility is there. Sunday, any showers should be pretty widely spaced. We're watching Jose well off the Atlantic coast. Monday, Jose east of the Outer Banks. And for us next week, I'd say highs between 87 and 90. Warm, mostly dry. Any showers widely spaced. This is Tuesday. Jose in the Gulf Stream, and this is Wednesday. No change here. Jose, you can see pretty close to Cape Cod. In fact, let's check the European Wednesday. This is Wednesday afternoon, 1 o'clock Central Time, and that's pretty close, but it stays offshore. But needless to say, there's going to be some very big swells on the coast there from that thing. This is Thursday, a week from today, the 21st. Big cold trough in the west, ridging down here in the deep south. And again, for us, no change. Upper 80s, any showers widely spaced. Pretty quiet. This is the end of the forecast period, Sunday, September 24th. Again, troughing well north and west of here, ridging in place here. We're dry and warm. And a couple of potential tropical systems. Could be Invest 96 and 97, both of those gaining latitude, showing no Gulf entry. But obviously, at this phase of the game, nobody knows. It's very early. That's just one idea. Numbers, highs, pretty warm here. Mostly upper 80s through next week, and then we cool off out there toward the end of September as we approach October, getting to the official arrival of fall, the equinox. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. You can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
AC broken? Just call KS Services Heating and Air. All Bryant energy-efficient systems come with a 5-year labor warranty, and our fair price guarantee means that we'll always give you 3 quotes for every situation. Just call KS Services Heating and Air today.